So you want stretches for the hips that don't require any arms. I got you. To stretch out your glutes from a seated position, you could place your ankle on the opposite knee and lean forward. You can hold this for 3 to 5 deep breaths. Next, to stretch out your hip flexors, start in a split squat position and lean forward. Keep the pelvis and back neutral. This next one is for your TFL. Place your ankle on the outer aspect of your opposite knee and pull it down to the floor. Give me a follow for more content.